Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly manage their money while others struggle? It all comes down to one crucial factor: financial literacy. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets to financial success and empower you to become financially literate. Get ready to unlock a whole new world of opportunities. Segment 1 is financial literacy. Before we begin, let's define financial literacy. Financial literacy refers to the knowledge and understanding of various financial concepts, such as budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. It's the foundation for making informed decisions about money and achieving financial goals. Segment 2 is importance of financial literacy, empowering individuals for a secure future. Financial literacy is a crucial skill set that everyone should possess in today's complex and ever-changing economic landscape. It encompasses the knowledge, skills, and understanding necessary to make informed decisions about personal finances, investments, savings, and debt management. In this article, we will delve into the importance of financial literacy and how it empowers individuals to achieve financial security and independence. Financial control and stability. Financial literacy plays a vital role in providing individuals with control over their personal finances. By understanding concepts such as budgeting, saving, and managing debt, individuals can gain control over their income and expenses. This control allows them to effectively allocate resources, reduce unnecessary spending, and prioritize their financial goals. With financial literacy, individuals can build a strong foundation of financial stability, ensuring they have the means to weather unexpected expenses and achieve long-term financial security. Informed decision-making. Financial literacy equips individuals with the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions about their financial affairs. It allows them to navigate complex financial products, such as loans, mortgages, and investments, with confidence. By understanding the risks, benefits, and potential returns associated with different financial options, individuals can make sound choices that align with their goals. Financially literate individuals are less likely to fall victim to predatory practices, scams, or misleading financial products, as they can evaluate offers critically and choose the ones that best suit their needs. Goal achievement. Financial literacy empowers individuals to set and achieve their financial goals. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or saving for retirement, having a solid understanding of financial concepts is essential. Financially literate individuals can create realistic and achievable goals, develop effective saving strategies, and make investment decisions that align with their objectives. They are better equipped to plan for the future, anticipate potential challenges, and adapt their financial strategies accordingly. By setting and achieving their financial goals, individuals can create a pathway to a more prosperous and fulfilling life. Building wealth and long-term prosperity. Financial literacy is a key driver of wealth creation and long-term prosperity. By understanding the power of compounding, investment vehicles, and wealth-building strategies, individuals can make their money work for them. Financially literate individuals can identify opportunities for growth, diversify their investment portfolios, and take calculated risks that yield higher returns. With the ability to build wealth, individuals can secure their financial future, provide for their families, and enjoy a comfortable retirement. Financial literacy paves the way for generational wealth and ensures a more prosperous society as a whole. Segment 3 is basic concepts of financial literacy. Financial literacy is the foundation of personal financial success. It encompasses a range of essential concepts and skills that enable individuals to make informed decisions about their money. In this article, we will explore the basic concepts of financial literacy and how they form the building blocks of financial well-being. Budgeting. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial literacy. It involves creating a plan to track income and expenses, ensuring that spending aligns with financial goals. By establishing a budget, individuals can prioritize their spending, allocate resources effectively, and avoid unnecessary debt. Budgeting also provides a clear picture of where money is going, allowing for adjustments and identifying areas for potential savings. Saving. Saving is another critical aspect of financial literacy. It involves setting aside a portion of income for future needs and goals. Saving allows individuals to build an emergency fund for unexpected expenses, save for large purchases, and prepare for retirement. Financially literate individuals understand the importance of saving regularly and the benefits of compound interest over time. They employ strategies such as automating savings, using different savings accounts for different goals, and continuously reassessing their saving plans. Managing debt. Financial literacy includes the ability to manage debt effectively. This involves understanding the types of debt, such as credit cards, student loans, and mortgages, and developing strategies to minimize debt and its associated costs. Financially literate individuals are knowledgeable about interest rates, payment schedules, and debt repayment options. They strive to pay off high-interest debt first, avoid unnecessary borrowing, and maintain a healthy credit score. Investing. Investing is a key concept in financial literacy that focuses on growing wealth over the long term. It involves allocating money to different investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, with the aim of generating returns. Financially literate individuals understand investment risks, diversification, and the power of compound growth. They research investment options, seek professional advice when needed, and develop a long-term investment strategy aligned with their financial goals. If you find this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on personal finance and financial literacy. Segment 4 is Practical Tips and Resources. Developing financial literacy is an ongoing journey that requires continuous learning and application of knowledge. In addition to understanding the basic concepts of budgeting, saving, managing debt, and investing, there are practical tips and resources available to enhance your financial literacy and improve your financial well-being. Here are some valuable suggestions to consider. 1. Educate yourself. Take advantage of the vast array of resources available to expand your financial knowledge. Read books, attend seminars, and enroll in online courses that cover personal finance and investment topics. Look for reputable sources of information, such as books written by financial experts, educational websites, and trustworthy financial publications. Some popular books that provide a solid foundation in financial literacy include Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. 2. Seek professional advice. If you have complex financial goals or are uncertain about certain financial matters, consider consulting a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance and help you create a comprehensive financial plan tailored to your specific needs. A qualified financial advisor can offer insights on investment strategies, retirement planning, tax optimization, and risk management. Ensure you choose a certified and experienced professional who aligns with your financial objectives and has a fiduciary duty to act in your best interests. 3. Utilize online tools and apps. In the digital age, there is an abundance of online tools and mobile applications designed to assist with budgeting, expense tracking, and financial planning. Explore popular personal finance apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Personal Capital. These tools allow you to monitor your spending, categorize expenses, and set financial goals. They also provide visual representations of your financial progress, making it easier to stay motivated and accountable. 4. Attend financial workshops and webinars. Keep an eye out for financial workshops and webinars in your local community or online. Many organizations and financial institutions offer free or low-cost educational sessions on topics ranging from basic budgeting to advanced investing strategies. These workshops provide opportunities to interact with experts, ask questions, and gain practical insights into managing your finances effectively. Stay connected with local community centers, libraries, and financial institutions to stay informed about upcoming financial education events. 5. Follow financial blogs and podcasts. Stay up to date with the latest financial trends and insights by following reputable financial blogs and podcasts. There are numerous financial experts who share valuable information through regular blog posts, articles, and podcast episodes. Some well-known personal finance blogs include The Simple Dollar, Financial Samurai, and Nerd Wallet. For podcasts, consider listening to The Dave Ramsey Show, Choose FI, or The Money Guy Show. These resources provide a wealth of information, tips, and real-life examples that can help you deepen your financial knowledge. 6. Join online financial communities. Engaging with like-minded individuals in online financial communities can be an excellent way to share experiences, seek advice, and learn from others. Platforms such as Reddit, Quora, and various personal finance forums provide opportunities to connect with people who are on a similar financial journey. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and contribute your own insights. Just remember to exercise caution and critically evaluate information from anonymous sources, focusing on suggestions supported by reputable financial principles. 7. Track your progress. Regularly review and assess your financial progress to stay motivated and make necessary adjustments. Set aside time each month to evaluate your budget, savings, and investment goals. Analyze your spending habits, identify areas where you can make improvements, and celebrate milestones achieved. Use financial tracking tools, spreadsheets, or even a simple pen and paper to monitor your progress. By staying actively engaged. Congratulations! You've taken the first step toward financial literacy by completing this beginner's guide. Remember, financial education is a lifelong process, and the knowledge you gain today will empower you to make informed decisions for a prosperous future. Stay dedicated, stay curious, and watch your financial dreams turn into reality. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on personal finance and financial literacy. Until next time, take care and happy learning.